What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to create a talking AI avatar on your phone for free with HeyGen. As you can see, we have the HeyGen app downloaded on our iPhone device and we're going to open it. Of course, after registering with your Google or Apple account, you're going to have this page. We have the link to HeyGen in the description below so you can get a head start in using these services right after this video. So right here, after registering with your Gmail or Apple ID, you can go ahead and click and continue.
With Avatar 4, create engaging lifelike talking videos from a single photo.
As you can see, we've already been introduced to the try Avatar 4 with one photo. Of course, you're going to say, yes, let's go. Now here at the top, you can see create a video and we're currently on the tab Avatar for video. Now there are several steps to follow and you can see step 1, pick or upload a photo. So as you can see, we have some photos to pick from. You can slide from left to right. We could go with this one, and then of course you could choose the orientation, but we're going to leave it at the mobile view. And then in step 2, you can see what you want the avatar to say. You can switch to audio or you can use a sample script. Now we'll be using the sample script in this tutorial, so we're going to type in some information right here. As you can see, we have our sample text. It's pretty awesome to have this app. Let's do great things together. Now you can also see that we've used 68 characters out of 210, so that's your limit. Now here you can see the different voices and you can have a preview. So we're going to tap on preview.
It's pretty awesome to have this app. Let's do great things together.
So we're going to tap on the voice here. Now you can see the two buttons. There's preview, which we just previewed, and we have grant, which is voice 3. We're going to tap on grant voice 3, and this will bring up some other voices. You can see top voice matches, English, etc. So you could go ahead and choose what you want. So let's go back. And so let's say we're good with the voice. Now in step number 3, it says, how do you want your avatar to move? We could go ahead and specify the gestures which we want this avatar to go with. So we're going to follow a gesture of what we're writing. So it says it's pretty awesome to have this app. Let's do great things together. So a person saying this should be excited. So we're going to put in some information right here, but of course at the bottom you have some other suggestions right here. We mentioned excited and it's right here. So as we tapped on excited, you can see talk excitedly with an animated look on their face. Great. So as step number 4, you can see the resolution you could choose from. You could choose from 720p or 1080. So we're going to go ahead and choose 720p and tap on generate. We're going to give it a few moments for the video to process. Awesome. Now our video is ready. We're going to tap on it to have our preview.
It's pretty awesome to have this app. Let's do great things together.
Great. As you can see, we now have our AI avatar talking from a few steps using HeyGen. You could go ahead and share this, copy the link, save it, react, or make some comments. So there you have it. You can use these steps to create a talking AI avatar on your phone for free using HeyGen. Don't forget to check out the link to HeyGen in the description below so you can have your experience for yourself. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.